Scratch built. D12.5 first flight.
Yes.
All right. Okay.
Hopefully I put everything together right.
Clear. Range is clear.
Put a parachute in it?
Yeah.
Parachute's in it. That's
Yep.
good. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
See, your painting got blue, so you can't see it.
Nice.
Did it come out?
Yeah.
Hey, there we go. Focus.
Oh yeah,
Just
there it
bending
is.
over backwards.
Man, that's almost like right over his head.
I know.
Close. Coming down. Man, look at that cloud. Nice cloud. Got some water coming.
Is it going to come down?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Might need a build thermal.
Might be in a thermal. It's moving again.
All right. It's going in the right direction now.
Yeah, it's definitely dropping, I hope. Yeah. Catching up to the wadding. Okay, yeah, you're coming down now.
Cool.
Sweet, man, that looks nice.
Should do an emote in
That
it.
is a pretty decent. Okay, good. Oh man, what a beautiful day.
Every so often you can just see that gold fin shine.
Yeah, isn't that cool? Yeah, look at, yeah, just going slow.
Yeah.
Good. Good job.
All right.